How's it going, YouTube? Stand back with another video. I got another quick install for you guys today. Last video I installed the fire extinguisher into the passenger side seat below that, and today I have another quick install. Just want to talk real quick. If you're watching the video and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. And guys, if you like these videos, make sure you always give me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. That helps me grow and reach out to other people to help this channel grow. But like I said, this is a quick install. I'm not going to talk too much. Hopefully the video isn't too long. I feel like this type of product, I haven't seen it a lot on different cars, and I like simple changes. If you watch any of my previous videos, you'll notice a lot of the things I do to my car are pretty simple. I don't like to go too extreme, but I like to collect a nice collection of clean, simple installs. This is another one that's a little bit different. I wasn't sure I was gonna like it at first, but once I got it in, I love it. I'll introduce the product here in a minute when I switch to the GoPro, because this is gonna be another install video, because the product actually didn't come with instructions. So for anybody who gets this video should be pretty informational if you didn't get instructions like I did. But anyway, enough talking, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so I'll swap to the GoPro real quick. As you can see, I got my camera set up. But I just wanted to show the product real quick before I actually get almost everything I need. I got a few things out already. But this is a ZL1 Addons side skirt extension. It's gonna mount onto the lower section. When I give you a good angle, you'll see it kind of pop out right here. Hopefully it doesn't stick too far out in the rear. I kind of look at them as rear canards. But it's gonna help my side skirts flow, and it actually helps big time. I already kind of looked at it with the rear side skirts. It's just gonna help that flow out as well to the back. Unfortunately, my car is dirty. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, so don't pay attention to that. But it's a side skirt extension, like it's called, and it's really gonna help clean the look of especially the rear of the car up just a little bit. I was thinking too, it might help my car look a little bit lower, because you know my car is not lowered. So like I said, I don't think I'm gonna need to jack the car up, which I'm pretty happy about that as well. I think I can get this bit in here. This is a 1/4-inch bit that works with the supplied hardware. It's just 4 nuts and bolts with some washers. Everything else you're gonna be using is already underneath the car, so all the other mounting hardware is already coming with the car. Luckily, this is my aftermarket, my Icon Motorsports aftermarket rear diffuser, so I won't be drilling into my factory diffuser, which makes me feel a little bit better, because I've already had to drill into my factory rockers, and that's just nerve-wracking. But at least it's pretty straightforward. I feel like I said, it didn't come with instructions, but I feel like after you get these fitted with the hardware that's on the car, these are 2 holes that you have to drill, and once these are lined up, these will just, I mean, they go anywhere. But once you get that rear section lined up, you'll be good to go here. You put your hardware on with your washers and your socket, and your nut, and you're good to go. I'm gonna have to grab a couple different size sockets, because I think these nuts are a different size from that one, but we'll see. Like I said, we'll be swapping back to the quality here in a minute, but just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what we're actually doing. Alright, quick update. I found that a 7/16 socket will fit the nut supplied from ZL1 Addons perfectly. You're gonna need a socket for your screw and your nut, like I said. Then I found the 7mm that'll work on the hardware that's on the car. It'll pretty much work. I'm using my impact socket, not my impact drive, to get them off. I mean, it's overkill, but it's just shorter than the bigger drive, so it gets underneath the car, because the more towards the back you get, the tighter this fits in here. So basically this one's just quicker. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. Like I said, 7/16 wrench, 7mm socket. I mean, you can use a 7mm wrench, or you can't really use a socket for this nut, because the way the nut positions, it's not going to work. You have to use the wrench, and just your traditional Phillips head screwdriver. But now we can get started. I'm pretty sure I got everything I need. Hopefully that'll work. All right, guys, we're back to the camera. Hopefully you won't get tired of seeing the back of my head. I'm just gonna go ahead and take, get this going the right way. I'm gonna go ahead and take all the hardware off the bottom, because this is what, like I said earlier, is gonna help line the skirt extension. I keep wanting to call them canards. That's what's gonna line those up. So we're gonna go ahead and get those off. Well, and luckily, installing this rear diffuser has made me pretty familiar with this part of the car. So we'll go ahead and take this plastic film off. Luckily, the people at ZL1 Addons wrote top on it, because like I said, no instructions. So I guess I'll use a couple pieces of hardware to line it back up. Alright, so it's definitely easier to line it up with your back bolt. You see how it's holding it on there? It's just barely hand tight. And now I'll speed you through this part right here. Alright guys, I had to cut it real quick. Quick change of plans. You are going to utilize this third bolt. I would have noticed that if I actually looked at the canard a little bit better. There are 3 holes in this most forward section on the car. There's an ant about to attack me. But anyway, you just need a star bit. If you've taken anything off of the section before, it's not that hard. There you go. Oh. Like I said, this didn't come with any instructions, unfortunately, but it makes it cool for a cool little install vid. And now we'll go ahead and get these bolts lined up again the correct way, and then I'll walk you through drilling through the back. Alright guys, so now we have to drill in to this rear part. I just kind of looked at it, eyeballed it. Maybe it's an icon, which I think it is, but this most, I guess you could say, forward hole towards exhaust is right on the edge where you can almost see it. Hopefully when it butts up all the way, it'll look a little bit better. I can definitely say these bolts are gonna kind of pull it up tight to the rear, but like I said before, it's already lined up. It's lined itself up. It looks clean. It's flowing with the side skirt well. All you gotta do is drill these 2 holes. Looks like I'll be able to get that wrench in there pretty easily. I don't know about this back one. Yeah, drill those 2 holes and then you're good to go. Put the battery in your drill. That helps a lot. So I'm gonna put the back one on first, because I feel like it'll pull this one up tight right to where it needs to be. Kind of got to get your hand up in there. I'm sorry you have to see so much of the back of my head. Alright guys, so swapping back over to the GoPro. I finally got everything on. You probably saw me struggling in a few clips before this. Got everything on. I will say the toughest one is that nut and bolt right there with the washer. I believe it's just an icon diffuser. I'm gonna go check it out and I'll confirm with you guys when I close out this video. But there's just like a structural piece on the back side, like inside right here, that kind of keeps it from going in. But it looks good, and I'll give you guys some beauty shots here in a little bit. But I'm gonna put the other side on. No reason for you guys to watch that. Like I said, now that I have it on, I guess I can show you better. You're going for the 3 screws right here, those 3, well 2 right there, and you're drilling your 2 holes with your 2 screws right here, and then that's it. That's a done deal. It'll go on just like that. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy, nothing where you really need any special tools. But like I said, let me finish the other side and then we can close this out. Alright guys, so just got the car washed. Just got everything installed, buttoned up. Like I said, got the car washed. Give you a few beauty shots. Beauty shots, I guess you can call them booty shots because it is the back of the car. But a few beauty shots of the car. The new ZL1 Addons rear skirt extensions installed now. So I'll give you a few beauty shots. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said before, give me a thumbs up. That'll be greatly appreciated. It helps you more than you probably know. But guys, drop a comment. Let me know what you think as well. I love to communicate with you guys. Like I've said before, this is Stan, and let's get to his beauty shots. Everybody have a good day.